Hey everybody, it is time for the chapter on polynomial functions, and we're going to start out with a little graphing review. But even before that, I'm going to give you a preview of what you're going to be able to do by the end of this section. So here's the deal. I'm going to do a bit of it now. Basically, I'm going to do any part that I think you know before we do this section, and then I'm going to come back again, and this is also going to be the very last video in the question, and we'll just fill in all the other bits. Okay, so this is where we're going. So one of the things you're going to have to be able to do is give it a graph of some sort, figure out what type of an equation it is. And I'm thinking right now, it's curve. I know it's not linear, but I don't know what else it is. It's probably got a squared or a cubed or something or other in it. I don't even know what this A is about. By the way, that should be bolded because that's an actual value. We don't know about odd or even degrees, but we do. We know one thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know my, oopsies, start, and it starts in quadrant 1. I don't need the key there, I just, oops. No, it doesn't even start in quadrant 1. I'm not going to redo the video. When you read it, it goes this way. So actually, it starts in quadrant 3. The reason I know that is because I have everybody memorize. Your only choices for start are 3, 2, or 3. And it ends in 1. Okay. See, I don't even know a lot about this graph. The second thing that we can do is we can look at the x-intercepts. So, hold on. First video of the day, I do not have my highlighters out. Bad, Joanne. Bad, Joanne. There we go. Okay. So we need to figure out the coordinates where the graph crosses the x-axis. That means, so there's one, and there's the other one. Now, I got really fussy. This might not cross exactly that, but I'm going to pretend it does. So my x-intercept is -1 and 0 because the y up. So it's -1 over and on up. And it's got a second one at 0 and 0. Here's a fun tip for you. You'll notice it usually says intercepts for the x, which means there can be more than one. There might be none, there might be one, there might be lots. I don't know. But the y-intercept is always only 1 with these functions. And where does it cross my y-axis? Well, right there at 0, 0. Domain is my x values. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that you'd be sure. Same with range. However, I am clever. I think I can figure out turning points. There's one there. There's one there. 2 turning points. Okay. Oh. I got a little bit there. But by the end of the chapter, we're going to come back. We're going to do this. And it's going to be like, oh, that was so simple. All right. Now, let's look at this one. Wow. Type of equation. Scary? I don't know. I don't even know what it means. It's a polynomial. Wow. I just told you a lie there. I know what it means. You don't know what it means. Hey. Oh. You know what? I can do my y-intercept because I know my y-intercept x is equal to 0. So that means I can redo this. Everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put a 0 in. And now I'm just, okay, I'm going to be lazy here. That's going to go to 0. because negative 6 times 0 is 0. I'm sorry, 0 to the 4th is 0 times negative 6 is 0. Plus 0 to the 5th, 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 times 0, still 0, times 2, still 0. Minus 7 times 0, so minus 0 this time, plus 2. So y is equal to 2. And that means my x-intercept is going to be 0 and 2. And that's kind of as far as we're going to get. So, hey, thanks for joining this teeny tiny video. But I could be more excited when we do it again. Have a lovely day and welcome to polynomial functions.